Why do we play outside? Because fresh air is good. Because every day, our life is better than most people's vacations. Because when we step outside, we step into a four-season playground. Because at heart, we are nature lovers, we are adventure seekers, we are explorers, we are sun worshippers. We play outside because we can. With hundreds of trails and parks, gorgeous beaches, and that big, beautiful lake at the center of it all. How can we not? We have something for everyone. Something outside in our epic, drop-dead, gorgeous city. So get out there. Say go. We dare you.